Tell me, can you see yourself making videos and getting paid for it? Well, stop dreaming and let's make it happen. Today, we're gonna talk about content creation for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your content creation, this video is for you. So let's dive in. So the first thing you wanna do is identify your niche. So you want to think about what you're really passionate about, what you don't mind sharing, and what you have knowledge about. All of this can help you when it comes to finding your niche. Your niche should be something that you enjoy and that you can consistently make content about. Think about your skills, your interests, and what people often come to you for advice for. So for me, people would come to me and ask me for advice about their natural hair. Now, I'm very knowledgeable when it comes to caring for natural hair. I don't mind helping people in that area. However, I do mind when it comes to creating content. It's something that I don't enjoy. So when it comes to you, you really want to take that into consideration. You want to think about content that you will enjoy making. There is a possibility that your niche may change as time goes on, but for now, you really want to think about picking something that you will enjoy. So, for example, if you like to cook, then you can do a food blog or do a YouTube channel showing you cooking different foods. Or if you're into fitness, then you can do tutorials on different workout routines. The key is you want to find something that you enjoy doing and also something that has an audience. So next, you want to decide which platform is best for you. Now, I think it's important you should know that different platforms have different audiences and types of content that performs well. So here are a few options that you can consider. If you want to use YouTube, then you should know that YouTube is best for long-form videos. If you want to use Instagram, then Instagram is great for photos and short videos. Now, if you're thinking about using TikTok, TikTok is also for short form videos and engaging videos. So choose a platform that aligns with your content and where your target audience hangs out. So to be honest, you don't have to be on every single social media platform. You just need to focus on one or two where you can really shine. So you really want to think about which platform is going to be your main platform. Now for me, YouTube is my main platform even though I have Instagram. I chose YouTube because I really love sharing what I know, and my target audience hang out here on YouTube because they really want to learn, and every day they're trying to be the best version of themselves. So for you, you want to study your audience, know where they are, and give them what they are looking for. So now it's time to plan your content. Consistency is key. Now, you can plan your content ahead of time using a content calendar. Decide how often you want to post and then stick to that posting schedule. When you are consistent, your audience can count on you to deliver, and over time, that builds trust. So here's a simple way to start. So the first thing you can do is brainstorm content ideas. I love using ChatGPT for this. Go to ChatGPT, type what topics is popular in your niche in 2024, and then it gives you a list of topics. You can then take those topics, copy them, and paste them into your notes. It's that simple. Next, you want to create a posting schedule. Here's how to do that. The first thing is you want to be realistic, because when you're not realistic, you're gonna burn out or become discouraged. So really think about the days that you want to post your content after you can factor in how long it takes to create and edit your content. So this actually carries us into our next point, which is batching content. Now, I highly recommend batching content because it tends to help you to stay ahead. To be honest, this part is where people tend to struggle the most, only because they tend to bite off a little bit more than they can chew. So for example, don't promise your audience 3 videos a week if you know that it's hard and you only can do 1 video a week. I always hear quantity over quality, but in all honesty, I wholeheartedly believe in quality over quantity. Only because when you post your videos and they have value, people are gonna watch them over and over and over. But if you produce videos that don't have quality and you're releasing them in mass quantity, then I feel as if it can hurt you more than it can help you. So when you're batching your content, be realistic with yourself at the times that you can release it, so you can know the amount of videos to produce. So just to reiterate, batching your content really helps you to stay ahead, it keeps you consistent, and it also keeps you organized. And so now we're gonna talk about creating high quality content. And so you really wanna invest time in learning the basics of content creation. And so for videos, you really want to pay attention to good lighting, engaging visuals, and clear audio. Please don't feel like you have to spend tons of money to start. To be honest, all you need is a quiet and well-lit room and a phone with a very good camera. If your home is not well lit, I recommend only investing in a ring light because light, like I mentioned earlier, is very important. Now I just want to plug this in. If you're planning on writing a blog, you want to make sure that your content is well researched and it's well written. Now I just want to reiterate this again. You do not need expensive equipment to start. You can use what you have and then you can upgrade as you go. After you find your niche and create your content, it's time to track your performance. So to do this, you can use the tools that are given to you from the platform that you're using. So you really want to see which one of your content resonate with your audience and then adjust your strategy based on the results. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. It's all about seeing what works and sticking to it. Now always remember to check your analytics because it gives you insight into what's working and what's not, and then it also helps you to improve over time. So there you have it, a simple framework to help you get started on your content creation journey. Now remember, consistency is key. If you have any questions or need guidance, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This tells YouTube that you enjoyed the video and it helps others just like you to find this content. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.